ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Students, we will do few problems how to find HCF and LCM of the given pair of numbers. In these 3 questions, 1 or 2 questions are already asked in the examination. I will tell you, this third bit is asked in the examination. This first bit is asked in the examination. So previously asked questions I am writing on the board. First let me do the first part. Problem 1. Take the first number. What is the first number given? A is equal to 120, or you can write directly 120. You have to find the factors. This is the method of finding the factors. First you have to divide by what number? 2. 2 into 60. Again 2 into 30. Again 2 into 15. 30 is 2 into 15. The first part is already written. So any more 2's? No, done. All 2's are over. How many 2's you got? 2 cube into what is 15? Next prime number is 3. Divide by 3. Will it go? Yes. 3 into 5. Stop. No more divisions. You can write it as 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. Similarly, write 90. 2 into 45. 2 will not go. 3 into 15. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Next 2 power 1, 3 power 2, 5 power 1. So now write both. Therefore 120 is equal to 2 cube 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Next write the second number, 2 power 1, 3 power 2, 5 power 1. What is the definition of HCF of these 2 numbers? HCF is equal to, look at the common factors. Common factor is 2, am I right? What is the smallest power of 2? 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, 3 power 2. What is the smallest? 3 power 1. 5 power 1, 5 power 1, same. So 5 power 1. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 is 6 into 5 is 30. What is the HCF of these 2 numbers? 30. What is the LCM? Look at every prime factor. 2 is the prime factor. 2 is the prime factor. What is the highest? 2 cube. 3 square. 5 power 1. What is 2 cube? 8. 3 square. 6. 5. 6 into 5. 30 into 8. 240. This is the answer. 30 and 240 are the answers. So you can take down this problem. This is asked in the examination for 2 marks. 120, 90. Find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization. You have to only do by this method. You cannot use the previous methods. Only prime factorization means this method. Shall we take 50 and 60? I will write 50 as 2 into 25, 2 into 5 into 5. So it is, so you stop it here. 60 is equal to 2 into 30, 2 into 15, 2 into 3 into 5. So both of them you write here. 50 equal to, how many 2's? Only 1. How many 5's? 2. Take 60. How many 2's are in the prime factorization? 2 2's. So 2 square. How many 3's? 1. How many 5's? 1. So what is HCF formula? Look at the common factor, smallest power. Common factor, smallest power. For LCM, prime factor, greatest power. Common factor 2, smallest power 1. 3, common factor, it is not common factor. 5 is the common factor. What is the smallest power? 1. So 2 into 5, 10 is the answer. HCF of these two numbers is 10.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
LCM. Each prime factor. How many prime factors are there? Just see. 2 is the prime factor. Greatest power, 2 square. 5 is the prime factor. Greatest power, 2. Done. 2 is already over. 3. 3 is the prime factor. What is the greatest power? 1. 2 square is 4. 5 square is 25. 3. 4 into 25. 100 into 3. Answer is 300. You can verify if you want. In 300, 50 will go 6 times. In 300, 60 will go 5 times. So 6 times multiple is 300. For the 60, 5 times multiple is 300. So least common multiple is 300. Highest common factor is 10. So let us do the next problem. Take the two numbers as 37 and 49. 37 is written as 1 into 37 because there are no factors. It is a prime number. So you write it as 1 into 37. Next 49 is written as 7 into 7. So it is not a prime number. The prime factor is 7 repeated. So it is 7 into 7. So what is the HCF? Common factor is 1. So you can write it as 1. Next LCM is 7 square into 37. So the answer is 1813. With that you learnt how to find the HCF, highest common factor of the given two numbers when by using prime factorization method, and at the same time how to find the least common multiple LCM with the help of prime factorization method. Okay.